Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Square Online Website Builder. In this video, we will show you the sign up and account setup processes. We will do a walkthrough of the platform. We will also show how to choose your website, how to edit it, and we will also demonstrate all the steps that are required to publish your website on Square. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. Without wasting any more time, let's jump directly into the video. After visiting Square's website, click on the Get Started button. This is the sign up page. Here enter your email ID, then confirm it here, and then create a password here. Select your country from this drop-down menu, and then tick this box to accept Square's terms, privacy policy, and e-sign consent. And if there is a reCAPTCHA, then solve it. And finally, click on the Continue button. Now on the next page, you will be asked some questions about your business. The first question is, what kind of business are you? From the drop-down, you can select between individual or business. We are continuing with individual. Next, you will be asked, what is your business's name? Enter your business name. Here we're using pseudo information. Next, you will be asked about your estimated annual revenue. Select the suitable option from the drop-down menu. If you're running a mobile business, then you need to tick this box. And when you accept a payment, the coordinates of your location will be printed on your receipt. If you tick this box, then you don't need to fill in below your address. Otherwise, you need to fill the complete address of your business. So we are going to tick this box and then click on the Continue button on the top right side. On the next page, you will be asked, what kind of business do you run? You can select from the given list or use this search bar to find a specific category. We are continuing with beauty salon, and then click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will be asked, where will you sell? The options here are brick and mortar location, on the go, at an event, through a Square Online site, through pay links and buy buttons, through sent invoices. You can select multiple options here. As we are going to create a website on Square, we are continuing with the through a Square Online site option and then click on the Continue button. Now from here, all the questions are optional. If you wish, you can continue with them. We are skipping this by using the skip button, and then you will be taken to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the interface. In the top of the left sidebar, you will have the quick access section with the buttons for Home, Online, Items, Orders, Transactions, and Customers. You can easily add or remove these buttons by using this edit link. Below you will see the All Products section, which has tabs of Online, Items and Orders, Reporting, Customers, Banking, Payments, Staff, POS Systems, and Settings. You can use this button to know more about the products from Square. In the center of the page here, you will see the statistics, which shows net sales, gross sales, transactions, average sale, and return. In the right sidebar, you will see the last 30 days statistics, which shows total customers, new customers, returning customers, average spending per visit, average visits per customer, positive feedback, and negative feedback. Now let's start creating our website. Click on the Online button in the Quick Access section, and you will be taken to this Sites page. On this page, first you have to select a category for your website. You can select between restaurant, retail, services, and lastly, non-profits. From the restaurants category, you can create a free online ordering page for your restaurant. From the retail category, you can make any business an online business. From the services category, you can create a free branded website for your services. And from the non-profit category, you can accept donations online for your organization. You can proceed with the category suitable for you. Here we are going to create a website for a restaurant, so we are selecting it. And for that, we are going to click on this Get Started button. On the next page, you will be asked what you're selling online. The given options here are physical items, which include clothing, jewelry, and packaged food. Menu items, which include pizza, sushi, fresh meals, and drinks. Donations, which include fundraising, gifts, and charity. Tickets, which include conferences, sports, and classes. Memberships, which include clubs, museums, and subscriptions. And finally, services, which include haircuts, repairs, and consultations. You can select one or more options here, and if none of the above are applicable to your website, then tick this box and then click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will be asked, how do you plan to fulfill orders? You can select between ship items, allow pickup, allow delivery, and allow self-serve ordering. Select the suitable option here. You can also select multiple options and then click on the Continue button. On the next page, you need to select the type of your website. You can select between single booking page, shoppable Instagram page, and lastly, full website plus online catalog. We're going ahead and selecting full website plus online catalog and then click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will be asked to pick a style. Scroll down to find a suitable style for your website. We're continuing with this one. So click on it and on the next page, you will see its preview. If you're satisfied with this style, then click on the Customize button and you will be taken to the Editor page. On the top of the left sidebar from here, you can select the page and you can also add or remove any page from here. Use this plus icon to add more pages, sections, items, or categories. In the left sidebar, you will see different sections of your website. It has sections for header, main banner, featured items, email newsletter, location and hours, footer, and lastly, footer branding. If you hover your cursor on these sections, then the related area will get highlighted, and you will also get some options to make changes in them. Just double-click on it and customize it according to your preferences and requirement. You can also use this Add Section button to add more sections according to your requirements. From here, you can toggle between mobile view and desktop view. If you want a tutorial on the editing process, use this guides link to get some help. Once you are done with designing your website, click on the preview button to have a look at it. And here you have a complete preview of your website. And if you want to make more changes, then click this button to close this preview. And once you're satisfied with everything, then finally click on the Publish button on the top right corner and your website will be live in just a few seconds. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Square Online Website Builder. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you have benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.